Hello everyone, in this tutorial video we will show you how to submit online compartmental exam form. Let's start now. Go to NBSE official website. Navigate to Services, Online Exam Forms, and click on Compartment. Enter your last exam roll number. Enter your date of birth as per HSLC record. Enter the capture code. And click on Search. The result will display the student details with the list of subjects and the total exam fees to be paid. Please note that the exam fee has to be submitted to the concerned school. If the candidate has special needs, then check the box. Enter your valid phone number. Enter your valid email ID. Once all the details are verified and entered, click the consent checkbox by giving your consent and submit the form. On successful submission, a reference number will be sent to your phone number and email ID. You can use the reference number to track the application status in future. Now we will show you how to track the application status by using the reference number. Go to Services, Online Exam Form, and click on Check Exam Application Status. Enter your application reference number. Enter the capture code and click on Search. On the left panel, the different status of application status with the description is given for your reference. There you go. This is how you can check the status of your application. If you have any technical issue, kindly contact the help desk. That is all for this tutorial video. Thank you for watching.